Hello again. Have you ever felt like that you weren't enough? Or maybe you felt like you were too much. Maybe you were told that you were too much, too intense, too needy, too demanding. But the truth is, you were never too intense or too emotional or too demanding. You were carrying too much alone for too long. And when support arrives, when truth is spoken, when self respect is restored, and when you take a fresh look at yourself through different eyes, what looked like too much reveals itself as strength. And that strength is what freedom is made of. So I want you to take time to pause and really think about, are you really too much? I don't think so. If you hadn't been so alone, would you have seemed too much? It's worth journaling that one. So bye for now.